Oh no, I crashed my bike. It was stupid, it was pretty dumb, but I have fixed my bike. Put the comments in the comments and maybe I will make one how I made my bike back. But this is a whole other video now. Come look. So you can see I fixed my bike. Yes, this is plastic dip, chameleon color, but if you can see plastic dip, it's not durable. But that's not the reason why I bought another kit for it. The reason is why, come look. So here's a little bit of damage. This I fixed because that was a lot worse. There was a hole in it. So that is also fixed, but not properly. Here also rips because my legs is grinding on the plastic dip. Also here is a flat spot. Not the worst, but this is. Here's a piece missing, you know. Comes all over here. So this is a piece I'm missing, and small scratches and dings and on the belly pan as well. For the rest the bike is okay, no complaints, drive straight. It's not only the frame it was broken, yeah. The costs were almost 3,000 euros, so I got a lot of money into it. But I want new fairings, but I want to make it nice. And the plastic dip, if you lay it on the first time, it's pretty nice. I have footage of it. But after 6 months, you see, after 6 months it's a little bit dings, a little bit scratched, it's a little bit teared up. It's disappointing. So I do not want to paint my OEM fairings because underneath the plastic dip or the original colors, and that's what I want to keep. So that's why I bought new fairings, of course, because the other one was a piece missing. Now here in Belgium we are in quarantine. I'm not gonna say the virus, but it's messed up. I think in the whole world it's messed up. So we got a small project coming, and that's why I'm gonna make a video. So let's see what I bought. Just kidding. Let's find out. So let's find out what's in the box. But first, I want to protect these. So I got my trusty knife. Let's open it. First time I'm gonna see it. Wow! like Christmas all over again. But then in March I'm gonna unpack these. That was a lot of work, a lot of unwrapping, some surprises I saw, but let's find out. So this is the whole kit, and I really like some parts of it. The reason why I chose glossy black is some parts of the bike, OEM style, comes in these colors. You're all grayish, and the frame is also the same. This is also the same, and then these are glossy black. In some parts this is also glossy black. So there are some parts glossy black, and they are painted, you see, because the molding was white and they painted it black. Same here with the tail. The tail is nicely painted. Also inside you see some finger marks with their gloves. You see somebody touched it when it was wet. I got these new, and of course my brand new piece, the missing puzzle. See, are broken up, missing a corner. It's just a stupid corner, but it's the details. Everybody, since I put this color scheme on my bike, a lot of people looking at it and, oh, it's a shame this is broken, and you get my idea. So new parts. And also why I chose a finished black is this piece is also very nice black. Missed the spot, oh, luckily it's in the inside, and it's flimsy, but that's the same as well as this one. You know, the Z1000 2010 to 13 comes in this grayish color. So I wanna look my bike fresher, newer than that gray. Okay, this stays, but this is also another color. And also the belly pan comes also in that grayish color, and that's black as well, but this is also gonna be painted. And there are some mistakes I saw. The first one I see is this one. This is also the belly pan. Luckily it's gonna be painted, but you see, I'm not sure that you can see the camera, but here is a scratch. I'm not sure the camera picks it up, but I can't feel nothing. Yeah, a little bit. I'm not gonna. There's a scratch on it. That's a shame. Maybe with packaging or something. There's also small scratches. Luckily this is gonna be painted, but if you're gonna order these, make sure everything is good and great. Fitment wise, I don't know. First I'm gonna paint these. Some people are gonna say, yeah, first fit it and then paint it. But this style of bikes, I'm gonna fit something. I'm gonna fit something. Wait a second. I'm gonna put you on a tripod. But I discovered this inside. This clear coat is still sticky. It's still wet. And also, it's not really a big deal, but the painting is not that 100%. Outside, okay, my fingerprints are all over it, but it's not that 100%. I think these flow away in the paint booth. Some pieces are a shame. The thing I can fit is this one and this one. So normally they go together, and for first things they fit. Also the bolt holes line up, so I got a kit, so everything fits. All my fingerprints all over it, but this is not going to be painted. So that was my unboxing video of my Chinese fairing kit. I put the link down below where I got this from. You decide you want it or not. I paid it on my own money, so this is not sponsored. You like it, subscribe. If you want to put a comment down below, I read them, I answer them. If they're not offensive, but everybody makes mistakes or do it the wrong way. I'm gonna paint these. I got the color here. I'm not sure that the color comes great. We shall see. We shall see. So if you like it, subscribe. I'm gonna do my best to post more videos for you guys if you really want, because it's not really, I'm not a vlogger or whatever, so I'm just buy something, want to show you something, and is it good or is it bad? I don't know. We shall see. So there is coming another video. Oh, my cat. So there is a video coming where I'm gonna paint these. The weather is getting better. I hopefully wish you all the best of luck in this poor situations. The lockdown, it's for nobody good, and we must wait what the government's gonna decide, and hopefully you're getting better, and keep strong. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.